One evening I watched successful people making money on the internet, and I was wondering if I could also earn something online. First, I explored my options, and I found this. I found that abstract images sell the most, and videos make the most money. So I created some videos in Canva, and uploaded them to Shutterstock. This is one of those videos. There will be a link to my Shutterstock page in the caption below the video, so I don't have to show all the videos I made here. Where are my money? I also created some vector images, but unfortunately I have to wait for approval. I made a few more videos that day to increase the chances of a sale. They finally approved my videos. Okay, let's take a look. Videos are finally visible on my homepage. But vector images are still not approved. No sales yet. Sorry, I was invited to a birthday party, so I have no record. That much money for a gin and tonic. I wish I stayed home. Somebody please kill me. Image is still not approved and no sale. Please, I finally need to sell something. They didn't approve my vector images. Okay, well, I didn't want to use it, but there is no other way if I want to sell something. It's time for cute animals. I'm a genius. No sale. Pictures not yet approved, videos not either. So I decided to add more tags to the videos to increase their visibility in the market. Videos are approved, but images are still waiting for approval. No sale. So the images are approved and visible on my homepage. No sale. Sorry guys, I've been busy at work all day, so I don't have any records from this day. I don't get it. The cute animals should have worked. What these people have and my pictures don't. Okay, I got it. People want more round shapes. So I created this masterpiece in Canva. I'm an abstract genius. My last video is not approved and I didn't sell anything. Still not approved. No sale. In 14 days, I made 7 videos and 10 images. 2 images were rejected. I didn't earn anything. If you like the video, please like my video and subscribe for more videos.